Welcome to Elite Finance Insights, your gateway to the financial secrets of the world's most iconic success stories. Every tip we share is a key to the strategies once reserved for the elite. Ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's dive in. Imagine standing on the brink of a financial revolution, with every secret about wealth waiting to be unveiled as you follow the trail of one of the most influential minds of our time. Bill Gates did not simply accumulate wealth overnight. His journey was built on deliberate, well-honed money management techniques that anyone can learn and use to transform their financial destiny. Bill Gates' early approach to managing money was defined by a commitment to living below his means. Even before Microsoft became a household name, he was careful about how he spent every dollar. Rather than succumbing to the temptation of instant gratification, he invested his resources in education, innovation, and opportunities that promised long-term rewards. This principle of frugality is not about sacrificing enjoyment today, but about laying the groundwork for a prosperous tomorrow. By prioritizing saving over lavish spending, Gates created a safety net that allowed him to take calculated risks later in life. His disciplined approach reminds us that true financial freedom is built on a foundation of modesty and purpose, where every expense is weighed against its potential to fuel future growth. Another secret from Gates' playbook is his relentless pursuit of knowledge. From a young age, he made it a habit to read extensively, absorbing information from various fields including technology, economics, and global affairs. This quest for continuous learning enabled him to make informed decisions about both his business ventures and personal investments. In today's fast-paced world, where market trends can change in an instant, staying well-informed is more crucial than ever. Gates believed that knowledge is the ultimate currency, and by dedicating time each day to read and learn, you can develop a mindset that is both agile and innovative. This intellectual discipline not only enhances your decision-making skills, but also opens up new avenues for growth that many overlook in the rush of daily life. A third key insight from Bill Gates is the importance of diversifying your investments. While his initial wealth was built on the phenomenal success of Microsoft, he was quick to understand that concentrating all his resources in one area was a risky proposition. Instead, he expanded his portfolio across multiple sectors, including technology, healthcare, and renewable energy. Diversification is a strategy that mitigates risk by ensuring that a downturn in one area does not devastate your entire financial picture. By spreading investments across different asset classes and industries, you create a more robust and resilient portfolio. Gates' approach teaches us that a well-balanced investment strategy not only protects your wealth, but also positions you to capitalize on emerging opportunities in various sectors. Risk management also played a pivotal role in Gates' financial strategy. Unlike impulsive investors who chase trends without careful analysis, he was methodical and data-driven in his approach. Every investment he made was preceded by extensive research and a careful evaluation of potential risks and rewards. This disciplined method allowed him to take calculated risks that ultimately paid off, while avoiding the pitfalls of reckless speculation. The lesson here is that risk is an inherent part of any financial endeavor, but it must be managed with precision and foresight. By gathering as much information as possible before making decisions and weighing the potential outcomes, you can confidently step into opportunities without exposing yourself to unnecessary danger. Finally, one of the most inspiring aspects of Bill Gates' legacy is his dedication to philanthropy. As his wealth grew, he became increasingly focused on using his resources to drive social change and address global challenges. His philanthropic efforts demonstrate that money, when managed wisely, can be a force for good. Gates' transition from a relentless entrepreneur to a generous humanitarian underscores the idea that true wealth is measured not just by the size of your bank account, but by the positive impact you have on the world. By allocating a portion of your earnings to causes that improve lives and foster innovation, you create a cycle of prosperity that benefits not only you, but society as a whole. This approach encourages us to view money as a tool for transformation, one that can unlock opportunities for both personal success and communal advancement. As you reflect on these 5 money management secrets inspired by Bill Gates, Consider how you can integrate them into your own financial journey. Start by embracing a lifestyle that values long-term stability over short-term indulgence. This means creating a budget that prioritizes savings and investments, allowing you to build a cushion against unexpected challenges while also preparing for future opportunities. It is important to view every expense as an investment in your future rather than a mere transaction. This shift in perspective can radically change the way you manage your finances. Simultaneously, cultivate a habit of lifelong learning. In an era where information is abundant, the ability to sift through data and extract valuable insights is a competitive advantage. Dedicate time each day to reading and exploring topics that interest you, especially those related to personal finance and investment strategies. By expanding your knowledge base, you empower yourself to make more informed decisions and adapt to the ever-changing economic landscape. This intellectual discipline is a cornerstone of success, enabling you to stay ahead of trends and seize opportunities before they pass you by. Moreover, do not be afraid to diversify your investments. Whether you are just starting out or already have a substantial portfolio, spreading your investments across different sectors can safeguard your financial future. Diversification not only minimizes risk but also increases your potential for growth by exposing you to a wider range of opportunities. Consider exploring emerging markets, sustainable energy projects, or even innovative tech startups. Each new investment is a chance to learn, grow, and secure a more stable financial base for the future. Taking calculated risks is equally essential. Life is full of uncertainties, and while some risks are inevitable, the key is to approach them with caution and preparation. Before committing your resources, gather all available information, analyze potential outcomes, and weigh the benefits against the drawbacks. This thoughtful approach allows you to make decisions that are both bold and wise. Remember that every significant achievement in history has been preceded by a willingness to venture into the unknown, backed by meticulous planning and research. By embracing calculated risks, you position yourself to unlock rewards that many others might miss. Finally, allow the spirit of giving to be a guiding principle in your financial journey. Philanthropy is not merely an act of charity, but a strategic way to enrich your life and the lives of those around you. When you share your wealth, whether it is through monetary donations, volunteer work, or supporting innovative projects, you create a ripple effect that extends far beyond your immediate financial gains. The legacy of Bill Gates is a powerful reminder that success is most meaningful when it is used to make a positive impact on the world. As you build your wealth, consider how you can also contribute to the greater good, thereby transforming your financial achievements into lasting social change. Incorporating these principles into your daily life requires persistence, reflection, and a willingness to evolve. Every financial decision you make is a building block toward a more secure and prosperous future. By adopting a mindset that values frugality, continuous learning, diversification, careful risk-taking, and philanthropy, you are setting yourself on a path that not only leads to financial success, but also enriches every aspect of your life. Bill Gates' journey serves as both inspiration and a practical blueprint for managing money wisely, proving that even the most ambitious dreams are attainable when approached with discipline and determination. Let these lessons guide you as you embark on your own financial journey. Every decision, no matter how small, has the potential to shape your future. The strategies that propelled Bill Gates to unimaginable heights are accessible to you, waiting to be applied in your everyday life. By managing your money with intention and wisdom, you create opportunities for growth, security, and a legacy that can inspire others. Remember, the road to financial empowerment is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step you take is a victory in itself. Embrace these secrets, trust in the process, and watch as your financial potential unfolds before you, one deliberate decision at a time.